Someone asked how we travel with Molly, our small border terrier, in between us when we travel in our Bailey. You need to utilise the table and the up down button function on it, and also you need 4 items: 2 G-clamps, a piece of 12mm plywood cut in a similar short shape to that. We have a piece of timber, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of timber and a piece of plywood. The plywood is used as a stop, and also you have the holes cut in that top section there. Them holes line up with them holes in the timber, and also as well we have a mattress from Pets at Home. I'll show you how it all goes together. First thing you do is lift the table to the height so that the piece of timber goes in below the armrests. Then your timber goes on top, and I now move the table to match the shape I made on the pattern, which means I move the table into that position, slide that under to around about there. I then clamp it with the 2 clamps to hold it securely into place. That won't go anywhere forward or backward now at all. And then now it's just a case of fitting the front in over the top like so. And what I do is I thread the string round up through the holes around the back of the stop, down, pull it as tight as possible, and then thread it through the little holes like a lace, just to hold it in place. I'll show you now. So keeping it tight. And that locks it all in place. Tuck that through there. Then onto that goes the bed, wherever I've put that. The bed goes in, tucked in, folded at the front for cushioning, and she's clipped into place with a clip, and that through the safety belt over the passenger seat itself, onto a harness or onto a collar. She's only small, so if there was an emergency stop she would go against that, and the collar and would hold her in place. There's still enough room to change the gears on the automatic box, still time to use the armrest, and she's safe and secure in that position and has full view of the world and not locked in the back out of the way where she'll always she'd cry. And when it's packed away, it takes up next to no room in the boot. I know it's a mess, sorry.